Not all screen recorders are created equal. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Tella versus Loom versus Descript. The intent of this tutorial is to highlight the pros and cons, features and use cases, so I'll be able to save you time and money as you'll be able to easily choose the best screen recorder for your particular use case. The first thing we'll be comparing is the pricing, and we'll kick things off by looking at the pricing of Tella. And by the way, I'm recording this tutorial using Tella. So with Tella, you can get started on their monthly plan for $26, which I recommend, or you can go onto their premium plan for $39. With Loom, you can get started on their monthly plan for $18, and you can go onto their most popular plan for $24. With Descript, it is the most expensive option. With Descript, their monthly plan begins at $24, and with that you'll be getting 10 media hours, and their most popular plan is for $35, and the most expensive option is for $65. So when it comes on to pricing, both Loom and Tella is in the same ballpark. So both have basically the same price range. Now let's talk about features, and we'll kick things off by looking at the features of Tella. With Tella, the first thing I want to highlight is you'll be able to use it on practically any device. Whether you're using a Windows device, a Mac device, or you don't want to download an app, you just want to use it in the web browser, you're given numerous options. Another thing that I also like about Tella is it is beginner friendly and easy to use. What do I mean by that? Once you're signed up to Tella, and by the way, you can get started for completely free by clicking the link in the description. You can simply go over to the left hand menu option, tap on record, and you'll be able to use the web browser. But what I would recommend you do to get the maximum features, I would recommend that you tap on Get App in the top right hand corner, and from there you'll be able to quickly install the app. Once you have installed the app, you'll be able to tap on Record. You can change your background, as you can see right here. If you were to look on my background, you can see how the background looks at the moment. This is a virtual background, and I've done tutorials showing you how to do that, and I'll be pinning the Tella playlist below, so you'll be able to explore all of the features. Now, once you have created your video, it will be saved in this section, and you can simply tap on the pencil icon of the video to start editing it. Once you have selected the video that you'd like to edit, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Cut. And by the way, before doing that, if you were to tap on Setup, you'll be able to change the dimension. So let's say, for example, you like to create a video for YouTube Shorts, or for example for Instagram. You can simply tap right where you see size. From there you can change the size, as you can see right there. So I could change it to portrait, and you can see right there how it looks, and you can adjust whichever one of the screens. Now, by going over to the left hand menu option, you could also tap on Cut, and with Tella you are given AI features. So by tapping on Remove, you'll be able to use their AI feature to remove any mistake that you have made. By simply tapping on Remove, you can also remove the buffer. And by tapping on the transcript, this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Tella. As with Tella, all you'll need to do is simply select the particular section that you'd like to remove. Then after you have selected the section, you can tap on Cut from Video, and it will automatically be removed. And if it is a case that you would like to also show, for example, let's say you would like to show the subtitles, you can do that by simply scrolling down from the right hand menu option. You can tap on Subs, and you can toggle on Subtitle. You can choose the style that you want, and you can also edit the text. So if you were to make a mistake, you can tap on Edit, select the text, and you'll be able to edit it. Another standout feature when it comes onto Tella is the zoom feature. So you can tap on zoom, and from there you can select the particular sections that you would like to zoom in, or you can use their AI feature by tapping on generate zoom. If you are a fan of my video, you'll see a lot of my videos wherever I hover the mouse, you'll realize that that particular section is zoomed in. And also you can change the layouts by tapping on layouts. So let's say I were to go back, and I'm going to be changing it, and then select layout. You can see different layout options that you can explore, as you can see right here. So you're given numerous editing options, and by the way, you can change the layout for different sections of the video. So that was a pullback that I had when it comes onto Tella, and they have fixed that. So you can change the layout. You can also choose to blur a particular section or highlight a particular section. You can change the background by selecting BG. You can add border. You can also scroll down and you can adjust the video as you can see right here, or edit the video. You can also add background music and you can also remove background. There's numerous features that you're given when it comes onto Tella. Now, if we were to go over to Loom, you're also provided with quite a few features. For example, when it comes onto Loom, it is mainly known for being an OG when it comes onto screen recording. As you can see how a Loom video looks by simply tapping on this video right here, we can see how it looks. So you'll have the little section right here showing yourself, and then you'll have your screen. And if you would like to edit it, you can do that, and you can see that they also have a new feature now where you'll get AI access. And Loom is basically, I would say Loom is best for persons that are using their video for business purposes. So let's say, for example, you would like to share it with a team or so on, or you'd like to use it for email marketing. This is where Loom stands out. But it is still, in my eye, not better than Tella, because with Tella you still have access to those features that you would get with Loom by simply tapping on share. From here, you'll be able to share the video by simply tapping on copy link, and you can choose anyone with the link, workspace members. You can add a password if you want, and you can choose to embed it. So you can also scroll down, and from here you can choose whether you like them to download, be able to download the video or not. You're given numerous features. And also, yes, with Tella, you'll be able to see the analytics. For example, you can see when someone has viewed your video. So yes, that is a feature that Loom had over Tella, but now Tella also offers that feature. And with Loom, you're given limited editing options compared to Tella. Now, when it comes onto Descript, Descript offers a lot of AI features. So for example, by going down to the bottom of the page right here, you can see popular features. If it is a case that you made a mistake while recording your video using Descript, you can simply select the text section and you can re-record it right there, or you can use their AI feature where it will automatically create a voice that sounds kind of similar to your voice, and you can add it in. They also offer, for example, the eye contact feature. So for example, instead of my eyes looking all over the place, with your eye contact feature, it can fix that. With Descript, you'll also be getting the option to create an avatar and so much more. So if it is a case that you want AI features and you just don't want a screen recorder, you want to have AI features and you want different editing options, you can use Descript. So in conclusion, which one is best for you? If it is a case that you are creating YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, if you are creating YouTube videos, better yet, YouTube tutorials, I would recommend that you go with Tella. Also, if you're planning to create business videos that you would like to share with your teammates or you would like to embed, I would still recommend that you go with Tella based on the pricing compared to Loom. The reason why I say that is not only do you get the option to create standout tutorial videos, but you still get the option to use it for email marketing and so on. While on the other case, while Loom has a big reputation, it is mainly for business purposes. So on the other hand, I would recommend you choose Descript if it is a case that you are creating videos for numerous platforms. For example, let's say you're creating videos for Instagram and TikTok and also YouTube. Descript may be the best option for you. And the reason why I say that is you can use Descript to create an avatar. You can also use Descript, for example, with their numerous AI features to update your videos or to make it look even more enhanced. Hope you found this comparison helpful, and I've included links in the pinned comment and description, and it would help to support the channel. Thank you.